Get your phone ready first. That's what you should do. The following step is to access YouTube and choose the video you watch. You'll then receive payment for doing so. Therefore, all you have to do to get paid is watch a YouTube video, which is what you're doing now by watching our video. Isn't that amazing? The technique in today's video is straightforward and suitable for beginners who have never made a dime before. Additionally, it is totally free, so you won't need to spend any money on it. Since it is free and accessible everywhere in the world, you can continue to make money without having to pay any, which is precisely what we need. Because we all need a way to make money, especially in this pandemic, and because we care about our subscribers and listen to you, we always make sure everyone gets a fair shot. This approach is available to everyone, even in the most distant regions of the world. Make sure to watch the entire video from beginning to the end, so you don't get confused about today's method, and make sure you don't skip ahead so you don't miss any crucial details. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't get lost, and we'll also drop some bomb tips for you guys today to triple your income.
But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them.
This is how their website should appear. Thus, we want you to open it up in front of your screens. We can view videos on this website to make money. As you can see, there are the most recent withdrawals. And since they are a rather large amount rather than just messages, you can tell that we're dealing with actual money. Let's proceed to creating an account on this website. To do so, click Join in the top right corner of the homepage. This should bring you to this page. You should now fill out all of the required information, including your username, email address, 2 passwords, your location, and the CAPTCHA before clicking Join Now. Boom! As soon as you finish that, you now have access to your own private account. Before doing any further, validate your email address. To do this, visit your email inbox and click on the link there. This will instantly launch your newly verified and activated account. As of right now, we are on your dashboard inside of your account. Basically, you'll see all the ways you may use this site to get money, as well as the number of points you presently have. What about your recent arrivals? Where are you guys from? Please share your favorite aspect of the channel so far in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Now that we are concentrating on earning money, click on one of the YouTube icons up top and select YouTube Plays. After doing so, you'll be led to this page. Now you'll see that a YouTube video is already waiting for you to play it, so you can start earning money right away, which is wonderful because it means you won't have to actively search for the films on YouTube yourself. From this website, you can watch and click it to get money. Clicking the play button will instantly launch the video on YouTube, which is precisely what we want. It won't take any effort at all, and you'll be watching the video right away. As soon as your allotted 30 seconds on the video are up, it will automatically end, and you will then have another film waiting for you. You should see your points increasing as you complete each video, and it goes without saying that the more videos you watch, the more money you can earn. There will always be films accessible for you to watch, gain points from, and eventually trade for money, so you can watch them as many times as you like. You can now choose to skip a video if you've noticed. If you want to watch the video and locate the ones that interest you and that you like, so that you can concentrate on your assignment, this is fantastic. You have the options of watching or skipping a video, and there are plenty available, which is great. To keep making money, just keep watching and skipping the content you don't want. Increasing the speed of every video is a tip I frequently provide. This makes it possible to watch the videos much more quickly. If you don't want to skip any of the videos because you think doing so would be a waste of time, but you also don't want to be bothered by them, you can simply mute the video and carry on with your day. Once the allotted 35 seconds have passed, the video will automatically end, and you can then repeat the process. There are a lot of other things you can do on this site, such as subscribe, like, or do other things to make money, which is fantastic. There is a Facebook options as well, which you can like, comment on, and perhaps promote. The same thing is done on Instagram as well. You can have the option to comment, like, and share. The same is true for Twitter, as you can see below, as well as favorite, react, and other networks. Additionally, there are other daily incentives in the link, so there are actually other ways to make money with this platform, which is usually beneficial because it implies there are many options on a single website. Now, all you have to do to pay out is click this cash out button on your dashboard, which should bring you right here. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can then select your payment option. They provide you a choice that will enable you to start using your chosen payment method. Following a successful payment request, all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 days before receiving your money and continuing to profit from this website as if it were nothing. As a result, as you can see, you will need to change your payment method to the one you like. You really just need to accomplish this by following the instructions because there is no other way to do it if you want to successfully withdraw your money. Let's review briefly what has happened before we conclude. Therefore, you should visit followfast.com, which is our initial website. Since it is the only website we have, you will sign up there. You'll first join up for a free account, after which you'll review all of your alternatives with a view to concentrating on the YouTube plays as a means of earning money. To see the videos, simply click the play button. You can mute the videos, speed them up, skip the parts you don't want to see, and view whatever you want to see. Once your points have increased, select cash out to convert them to cash. Take that money out, and that's pretty much it.
That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.